Jamaican Sugar Fishing, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Big up. Welcome to another event, guys. We out this morning. We're going to be on the hunt, guys. We're hitting the water. We're going to work this whole area for about a mile down that way, and we're going to see what we're going to pick up. I'm working my light setup this morning. Working this suspended quick dive, shallow diver, but fast sink. It sinks fast, so I work it pretty quick across and see if we can pick up a barrel. I got my wire lead set up and everything this morning, guys, and we're gonna hit this lovely water. All right, so stay tuned. Epic adventure this morning. Jamaican shore fishing. One love. We didn't hit nothing at this spot. I did not see anything chase. Maybe I'm too early, maybe I'm too late, I don't know. I think it's most likely too late. I should have been here earlier, and they probably have passed or probably down the line. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna head down the line. I'm actually pulling out of the spot now, trying to get back to the next spot. So stay tuned, doggies. Ready up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. We moved down the road from over there. Wasn't getting much of a pickup. I don't know if this is where I'm ahead of them or I'm behind them. I'm kind of late this morning, guys. It was not a planned fishing day this morning. I had my camera on the tripod before, and I realized that was not working out for me while moving around lure fishing, because I have to constantly oh shit, damn, woohoo, oh damn, almost bust my neck, guys. Good thing I have on good boots and I have good traction, or that would have been disastrous and I would have been seriously hurt. Alright, let's get these back in here. Whew. Almost lost my kneecap and whatever else. That was close. Never again. Look, that was real slippery. Alright. Anyways, we're not stressing that. For balance, we didn't break our fishing rod and we didn't hurt ourselves. Or we didn't hurt ourselves and didn't break our fishing rod. That was it. Took elbows instead. Alright, let's get this cast out. Woo-hoo. Yeah, one of these bad boys want to take a bite out of my lure this morning. I know there's a spot over here they like hanging out. Don't worry about that. Not the least of your worries. Yeah. They be hanging out over here too. I can imagine what they're saying over there. You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. What's going on over there? You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. The barrel hunter is out. We are out, guys. Grass or leaf or something keeps on touching my rig. That rock damn near cut my hand. Go this way, not that way. Just might get lucky this way, guys. Alright. We're gonna go the other direction, guys. We're aiming down the line. We might not pick nothing up here on the beach, but I'm gonna hit the river anyways, just in case. We don't pick nothing up here, we'll most likely score something down there. I will not attempt to walk on this log again. I slipped and fell and almost bust my neck a while ago, guys. And probably cut my hand with the honeycomb rock. So that wasn't a nice feeling. Get this out there and see if we can get a bad boy's attention. Stay here now, guys. Is that where are they? You gotta find them. You gotta locate where they're at, get their attention, let them know that you're here, and come out and play. Not a guessing game here, guys. It's hunting. Really, literally hunting for these guys. You're searching. You know where their hangout is, but you want to directly pinpoint where he's going to be at to drop that lure right on top of him, to get that lure past him and see if he's going to pick up. But stay tuned for, you should have had a video before this. Epic Permit Jack hunting with Hartman Adventures and Team Chef Life. So make sure you big up Hartman Adventures, Team Chef Life. Give them a shout out the same way, guys. That's our one team, one dream. So everything's set. We're out here, guys. Come on, Mr. Barrow, where you at? Mr. Barrow, sing me a song. Get this out there. Hunting, hunting, hunting. Happy fine, something, something, something. Yap, yap, some fish with me dumpling. Nothing. Nada. You'll see. And nothing yet.
Hi guys. The ocean wasn't saying anything, guys, so I kind of made it to the river. I'm actually trying out this new lure that Hartman Adventures. I won from Hartman Adventures, a top water lure. It's a spook. So let's see what this spook can do. Let's get the spook down here, guys. Ooh, baby boy. I see you. I see you. Hot water lure, boy. Nice size smoking a little while ago, guys. Top water lure, guys. Hot water popper, guys. Got that snook hit a while ago, guys. This is that lure I got for Andre. Hartman Adventure. Trying it out.
Okay guys, we reached on 9 bridge now. This here will be the lucky spot because it's the shade area, so I suppose they're under here. I lost the lure in here the other day. The same exact lure that I got on here now. So you can see under here a little bit better. This our butt please. Oh, fish on guys. Snooker ready. One down guys. There you go. That's what's up. Get this bad boy on here. This is as big as they get in here. Got him already. Snook on, baby. That's what's up. You can't drop in that hole in there. Go hang tight there for a bit. Hang tight. So you can pick one more up. That's all. Feel them hanging down here, guys. Right down there. Oh, you mother flower. Oh, you mother flower. Oh man. So cool. Go live. See if you're gonna live. You guys are hard to die anyways. We're gonna give regurgitate back. Throw them back, guys. Yeah, he's gone. He's good. Yep. He's good to go. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here, guys. We had enough. Yeah. Time to head up the line. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys. At least I didn't get skunked today, guys. All the movements that we did. Thank you guys.